welcome to another video. This is NK. Today is going to be a very exciting vlog. Before we get into the super exciting part, let's go to the gym. Here is my gym outfit for today. These are from Greatly & Co. This is from Amazon from like 3 years ago. New Balances. We have a rug. Let's go get my couch. Oh my god. Okay.
I got it. Right here?
Yeah. She's comfy. Oh my god, I love her, I love her, I love her, I love her. I love this couch. I can literally just like sink in and hide from the world. Okay, this is, I love it. Yay! The media console will be right here. I think I'm gonna get a bigger TV as well. This is a 32 inch. I'm gonna probably get a 43 inch to have it like right here. A good path to still walk. Makes me so happy. I do love the couch. I like the rug. I've always been a very plain Jane rug girl because I always get scared of getting the wrong rug, but I love that it's a different vibe and a different aesthetic. I'm looking forward to like building off of it. I also just ordered my bed frame. So I'm getting a storage bed with a pretty headboard. That'll be in another vlog. We are slowly but surely getting this apartment together. I just want to reiterate that this apartment is my project. I'm taking my time. I'm being intentional about it. Getting the big things are first, and the big things just take longer to get. Like this couch took a very long time to get. But now that I have the couch, which is the biggest piece in the apartment, I can really now play off of it. Media console, nightstand, some type of side table slash very mini coffee table, whatever are gonna fit in here. Then we can start really decorating. Floating shelves. We're gonna get big pieces of artwork. We're gonna make our gallery wall. We're gonna get accent pieces, and all those things take time, and those things come after we get all our big things. So this is a work in progress. Also, if you are new here, definitely subscribe because I have been loving taking people along this journey, and it's also a digital scrapbook for me to look back on and see how far I've come in this apartment. If you like New York City apartment content and apartment content in general, life in New York City, hi, I'm your girl. Remember to thumbs up this video as well. Oh, beautiful, and she's so comfy. I can't wait to just sink in here and like read and like I'm gonna work. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Now time to take those boxes down. Let's go. Illy Poppy. Thank you, Poppy, for sending this. I talk about Poppy quite often on my YouTube vlogs, and I drink it very often as well. New flavors. Very, very excited. Oh, and they're big. Wild berry also sounds so good. And lime. This is a regular size, but I know they have a big size of this. I saw it on somebody's vlog. We're gonna have to do a taste test tonight. It's a very cloudy day. I don't have plans out. Have a nice, good old day in the apartment. Cooking, relaxing, reading, a little bit of working, and just vibing. I also want to talk about what I just did, which was bouldering. It was so much fun. I did it one time in college. So I got a day pass. The majority of the space is bouldering, and it was so much fun. I really pushed myself to like do the climbing and do everything. Gets your heart rate up, especially because you go so high. It's funny because I'm not even afraid of heights. dressed like that. Well, sometimes I am. However, I also have skydived twice. So like, am I really afraid of heights? I don't know, it's very situational. It was like 15 feet high, the highest one. I'm gonna take a shower. This is our outfit for today. It really matches the cozy vibes. This Summer Fridays lip balm is so good. Comfy and cozy. Oh my god. I could take a nap. Worth the wait to find my perfect couch. Another way I love to romanticize my life and my day-to-day is to put on perfume every day, even if I'm just staying at home. I'm so hungry, so I need to eat. Welcome to the kitchen. Kind of craving yogurt. Me and protein, we are trying to get along, trying to get more protein in my diet. I feel like that was one of the most successful Trader Joe's hauls I ever did. Maybe I'll insert a picture here. So many protein heavy things. Let's make a yogurt bowl. First bite of the yogurt bowl. That was a very good first bite.
I'm 25, so I would just kind of zone no matter how you feel is best to do. Just thinking, taking a pause.
We're gonna clean them right now.
Age, next,
Back looking brand new. Measured for the media console, so we know how big we want it. 68-inch length. We're figuring it out. Little by little, we're figuring it out. For the people who watched my moving vlog, which was back in March, one of those vlogs talked about a very, very exciting brand partnership that I got to be a part of. That was the day I got the email that I was chosen. Getting emotional, but I can like talk about it because it's all through approvals and it's live. I got the utmost pleasure and honor of working with Nars. Nars Cosmetics wanted to work with me. That makes me emotional. I have already like happy cried about it a few times, but now that I'm finally saying it publicly, it has a whole new wave of emotion to it. It has been such a exciting time to work on this project. I am learning very quickly that the level at which these very highly regarded brands operate are so much bigger than I even imagined. I've never been in this arena until now. Getting to see the behind the scenes of it all is wild. As a content creator who's committed to creating content for the past 3 years, this is a really, really big deal. And I didn't realize how big of a deal it was until I was on these calls. I'm meeting the marketing team and social team, the literal people who run this company in the creative sense. Oh gosh, it gives me chills. Now fast forward, we got our own autonomy to create the content in the way that we wanted to. Obviously there were parameters. I took it so seriously. Every partnership I've ever done, I've taken so seriously, but this one meant the world to me. This content went through so many hands to make sure that it was everything that they needed, wanted. My content was one of the top that they saw out of the people who they selected. That again just like makes me feel so validated as a creator. I put my heart and soul into it and it obviously resonated not only on camera but in their eyes, and that was really great feedback. I got the green light to post. It's going up on Wednesday the 15th, so by Wednesday the 15th both of the videos will have been posted on both TikTok and Instagram. You will see it on my page, so definitely first off go give it some love, please. This is such a big milestone in my career. This feels like a defining moment that I wanted to not only live in and really appreciate how hard I've worked to get here, but also share this with you guys. Take some time to give it some love, share it, save it, leave a comment, like it, do everything to interact with it, because those are the types of things that mean so much to creators that work so hard to create the content, to tell you the entire story. So like I said, it is up right now. Check it out and give me a follow also on Instagram and TikTok. That would be so appreciated. As always, I love you guys. Yeah, it's just a very simple day. Sometimes you know what, this is a very good segue. Sometimes I feel like I have to be doing something really groundbreaking on my vlog to make it worth watching. My life is my life and people will watch it if they want to watch it. I don't want to do the performative BS, but I also want to keep in mind a lot of my days are really dynamic and fun. Do a lot in certain days, but a lot of days also look like this, where I'm home for most of the day, idle, stationary, and just vibing on my own. I thought, you know what, why not show you guys a little bit of that too, because this is all part of my life. This is the lazy girl salad. That's really good. Taste test. I mean, I've had this before, but bomb. I like the little hint of lemon. Such a simple pleasure. A little bit more lemon. Let's make a poppy. I like a lot of ice. She's an icy girl. It does in fact taste like Sprite. A healthier version of Sprite. I'm heading outside. One, I need to pick up a package, but most importantly, I'm getting myself a sweet treat. Let's go get one. A review of the cinnamon roll. It was like, I'm gonna say like a 5 out of 10. Like, it wasn't amazing. Cured that craving. Time to put this together. This is the blueprint. I'm already just stressed out. I wanna like it. You guys, I need a rant. I need to rant and let off what happened in the last 3 hours. My goodness. I left you guys attempting to build the makeup organizer. I looked at the instructions, I got very frustrated, and also my intuition was telling me that that is not what I'm gonna have in my bathroom. It's just not. So I decided to not build it. So I'm gonna go return that probably tomorrow. And then the other thing that was just literally sent me to a negative place. And I was like, okay, I need to just like take a little break from vlogging because I was not doing well. I deleted half of this vlog. I freaked the F out. I was like, oh my God, I accidentally deleted files from the camera. And I was like, oh my God, this isn't like the MacBook where if you delete something, you can recover it like really easily. I called a bunch of people. I was on live chats trying to figure this out, downloading softwares. It is a miracle, but I did get the files back. We're gonna make dinner. I cannot believe it's already basically 9 o'clock. We're sticking to the frickin' program. At least this is gonna be a quick and easy recipe called the 5-minute quick and easy spicy tuna rice. Tuna has a lot of protein in it. So we are making that. Don't mind that up there. My storage before I get my storage bed. I have soy sauce. Stunning, beautiful, amazing. Wow. First bite. It's good. I deserve this. Like, I feel like I really worked for it today. Girl who loves her ice. Oh, it smells really good. Oh, look at that color. Okay, taste test. Ooh. Oh, that's sweet. Very sweet. I'm not sure how I feel about it yet. The raspberry one is 4 grams. Again, this one's my favorite. I haven't tried this one yet, but this is the orange one. It's 5 grams of sugar, so it's actually the least amount of sugar. The one I had earlier today. Pimple patches and all. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I truly enjoyed taking you guys through this day. Very real, very me. Remember to subscribe if you're new here. Thumbs up this video as well, and I will see you guys in my next one.